Alright, so as you can see, right here are the Unifon TL LCD 120 fans, and specifically the middle one is creating a lot of noise. You can see right here that the triplet is set to high SP. Right now you can't hear anything. Let's verify that. As soon as we take it from high SP to full SP, hit apply, it's making a squeaking noise. There is an audio recording of the noise separately that I can provide and will be at your disposal. It's consistently producing that noise at full. As soon as we take it to quiet, you can hear it still. It's right from the middle fan. As soon as we take it to quiet, the middle and the top fan, I'm sorry, no sound whatsoever. Perfectly clean and quiet. And once again, we go from quiet to full. So you can see here, hit apply. We can see the RPM ramping up here. And now you can hear the noise being reproduced again.